At EDICON 2019 in Beijing, Teledyne E2V and SP Device are showcasing their latest products dedicated to test and measurement and industrial application. Teledyne E2V latest ADC, the EV12 AQ600, is a 12-bit ADC with an input crosspoint switch. It enables its use in one-channel mode at 6.4 gigasample per second, or dual-channel mode at 3.2 gigasample per second, or quad-channel mode at 1.6 gigasample per second. This dynamic capability makes it very attractive for test and measurement applications, and in particular digital storage oscilloscope. It also features an innovative synchronization solution working with a daisy-chaining architecture. That synchronization is very attractive for massive MIMO and applications supporting beamforming, and is very successful in a large-scale application. It only requires a single training at prototype stage that can then be deployed on all units. In terms of bandwidth, the EV12 AQ600 provides 6.5 GHz of analog input bandwidth, and the performance of INOB above 8 bits at 5 GHz. This bandwidth and performance allows swap-C saving at the system level by reducing or removing down conversion stages in the front end. The EV12 AQ600 is using a serial interface with the FPGA with 8 lanes at 12.8 gigabit per second with the EasyStream protocol enabling the synchronization solution. It's available in a high TC package, 16 by 16 millimeter, a very small form factor for a 4-channel ADC, which also allows us to provide that ADC both from commercial to space QMLY grade. Today we have samples and evaluation board available for the EV12 AQ600, so you can see behind a demonstration of that ADC. And production will start in Q2 2019 for commercial and industrial grade. Teledyne SP Device ADQ12 is their latest digitizer. It's a 14-bit solution which is very flexible. It can be used with up to 4 channels at 1 gigasample per second, and is interesting for test and measurement, industrial testing, and big physics sensing application. It's supported by a PCI form factor at up to 3.2 gigabytes per second, and multiple firmware options enabling standard acquisition, specific pulse detection function, and noise reduction IPs, which makes it flexible in terms of performance optimization. The API supports multiple languages, including C, C++, Python, MATLAB, and LabVIEW. And both Windows and multiple Linux distributions are supported as well. The ADQ12 is available today with no export license, in particular for China, and is showcased behind as well on the booth. With these new products, Teledyne E2V and Teledyne SP devices are demonstrating their commitment to support our customers' new and improved systems in test and measurement and industrial systems.